There you go. Now you get to see the new walking street sign. Boy, if that wasn't designed for a 6-year-old, I do not know what was. This is the first weekend in over a month that Walking Street is back open. And look at that, we have construction. Let's go take a look down that hole and see what they're digging up. I have heard that they are putting in new sewers and new electrical power lines. Yes, folks, they said Walking Street is opened again. So we will take a walk down a little further just to see if we can see anything. Be careful that you don't trip over the edge of that steel plate. You could very easily end up in that sewer hole. Yep, so they say. Those lines are coming down. Somebody is going to get a hose job. Over there to your right, we have some law enforcement.
Thank you. Ghiêu hả?
Yeah, look so toy. Now I'm going to state the obvious. If anybody wants to buy a bar or a restaurant, there are plenty of them for sale around here. Now this King Seafood is available, and they are one of the original businesses to be on Walking Street, and they have shut their doors. Now this is a named restaurant that is available for sale. Oh, that guy cutting in front of me, he's the all-important Iceman. Now this gaudy looking club over here, that is said to be one of the most successful businesses on Walking Street. Many of the clubs on Walking Street have a habit of putting a half a dozen beautiful girls out in front to drag in customers. I could never understand why some of these clubs play such crappy music. There only seems to be about a half a dozen at the most clubs and bars that are open. Now this is supposed to be a walking street, and yet we have all these cars, trucks, and motorbikes parked here. Now if they want business to come back, they better get these cars and motorbikes and trucks and all this nonsense out of here pronto. Wow, that place is dark. Now there is a whole bunch of ideas floating around out there as to what is going to happen to Walking Street. There's a bunch of people that say, oh, it's going to come back as soon as everybody starts flying again. Then there is a very rich man that wants to buy up all this property and put a casino and a hotel and a shopping mall all in this area over here. And there's some people that want to keep it and make it a family style game arcade or some kind of nonsense like that. The only thing that I could actually say almost for certain is all those power lines are going to be coming down, and that in itself is a good sign. That is the holy tree. Okay, we have turned around and we are heading back towards the Walking Street sign. Now look at this fool driving the van. I gotta step out of his way and he don't slow down for nobody. Those guys need to be off this street. Here comes another shithead fool. They are even talking about putting a monorail going over Walking Street. As you can see, most of the shops here on Walking Street are still closed and shuttered. Now you get to see the rear view of the Walking Street sign.